four ways you can respect yourself while in a relationship with a man is: number one, dress well, look attractive, look appealing, but don't look seductive, because men don't respect ladies who look seductive. You are just calling for sex when you look seductive. Except if you want to attract a man for sex, of course, you have a mission, you have, yeah, that's a purpose, and you have decided to do that. But apart from that, if you really want respect from this guy, it is not a time to dress seductive. Rather, you have to dress like someone who is together. Remember, you will be addressed how you dress. That is so much of a truth. Smell good and sincerely look attractive. Carry yourself with respect and dignity. The way you walk matters a lot. You don't have to be careless the way you walk, like your steps. When you are on heels, when you are on flat. Sometimes my husband would be like, I need you to always be on heels. When you put on heels, heels coordinate your steps. So practically, you just can't be walking carelessly when you are on heels. So I think going on heels is going to help you a whole lot to really learn how to carry yourself well. Like, coordinate your steps. Walk like someone who respects herself, and your body language is so important. Like the way you walk, the way you carry your bags, and the way you just approach people, the way you talk, your choice of words, and being you don't talk carelessly, especially when there is discussion or when you are needed to come into a discussion or a matter. So you don't talk carelessly. These things help to put it together. It's called self-respect. So the third way to respect yourself while in a relationship is to choose friendships that uplift you. Like, choose to be around people that respect you. Very important, because if you respect yourself, you will equally have people who respect you. So when a man looks at you, he sees people who respect you, not that they bow to you, but they equally respect themselves. They are ladies of the same category with you. They have some kind of values, or they have kind of their courage, their values. They are, they respect themselves as well. Being in a relationship that is filled of people who respect themselves and they equally respect you, as well as you also respect them. So such kind of relationship, because people always care to know the people that are your friends. When a man is in your life, he will always get to know the people that are your friends, and sometimes they get to respect you just because of the people that are around you, because they've seen that the people that are around you are, I think, they have value, they have dignity, and of course, when they respect themselves, they will equally respect you, and he can't come around you to not respect you. So it's important to take note of that. Okay, and finally, on respecting yourself is to stay away from toxic relationships, stay away from abusers, people that abuse you, people that look down on you, because it's like an influence. They are going to influence you, and you will begin to drop down on your dignity and your values and self-respect. So stay away from people that are toxic. Decide to treat yourself with respect. Decide to go for the right relationship. Go with people that love you. Go with people that accept you. Go with people that really have some kind of values for you. It's going to go a whole long way to boost your self-esteem and help you to respect yourself even more. Remember, when a man walks into your life and see you respecting yourself and see these things in order in your life, it's going to really get him to want to be with you, not just be with you anyhow or carelessly, but want to meet up with your standard. Men are chasers, so they love it when they chase you. Before they chase you, they need to see something they don't have, or something they feel attracts them or they admire. And if you can put up with self-respect, they are going to, of course, come after you with respect.